Hello students, in this episode of Funny Science we're going to talk about anodized.
The main objective of this experiment is to understand what anodization is, how is it made in a lab, and the advantages of doing this to some metals such as aluminum and titanium.
Chemical anodization process is rather electrochemical, which is to increase the oxide layer, a metal part of artificially increasing the strength and durability of metal itself. It is performed by an electrolytic process and the transfer of electrons or electrical current between an anion and a cation to form a film on the metal surface, generating a protection against external or atmospheric agents. The electrochemical reaction is only visible on a macroscopic level. The film is considered inert.
Prepare a 5% caustic soda solution to wash out the aluminum pieces. Prepare the pieces that will be anodized, in this case aluminum. To degrease them, wash out the aluminum with distilled water. Submerge the pieces in chlorhydric acid at 50% for 3 seconds to neutralize the remaining of caustic soda. Connect the black cable of the power source in the lead. The lead will be the cathode. Then connect the red cable of the power source in the aluminum metal. Prepare a sulfuric acid solution at 20%. Remember to pour the sulfuric acid into the water, never the other way around. Cool down the sulfuric acid solution with ice until the temperature of the acid is at 20 degrees Celsius.
Turn the power source to 12 volts and 3 amperes.
Put the sulfuric acid solution in an acid-resistant container and put both pieces of lead and aluminum inside the solution, preventing them to touch each other.
Wait 45 minutes for the process to be completed.
Follow these steps properly and the anodized reaction will be completed.
After seeing the result of this process, it's important to understand why all those steps are made to anodize an aluminum piece. As we can see in the video, many reactions are produced. The first ones, as we said previously, are to clean the aluminum piece. When we introduce the piece into caustic soda, many bubbles are produced. These bubbles are produced by the hydrogen released in the reaction of aluminum with sodium hydroxide. As we saw in previous steps, sodium hydroxide is a strong base, so we need to neutralize it with acid.
Basically, what we did in our experiment was to prove that anodizing helps the aluminum by making it more durable, corrosion resistant, and to have an anodic oxide finish. This happened by the changes that the aluminum has with the caustic soda and the sulfuric acid, but the thing that really changed the aluminum is the change of electrons between the lead and the aluminum while they are in the sulfuric acid solution. With this process, the aluminum looks grayer and less shinier than the original aluminum.